Hey guys, wow, Guan. Me know me late. Me know me late, but me reach. Me late, but me reach. Welcome in, guys. Big up on yourself. Nice to go outside. Wagwan, hola. I'm gonna bring on the downstairs with me too. I'm start walk. Thank you for the like. Thanks for like up your life. Appreciate it. No new friends, wagwan. Big up yourself, welcome in. Okay, where you there? Okay, you don't say you don't have no manners. You can't tell me good evening. You can't tell me good evening. Jesus Christ. No, sir. I bring in my car, go look for water, man. You are Indiana. Thank you. I appreciate your support. Big up yourself. Thank you, guys. All right, we're up on the boardwalk right now. We don't want the sun going down the eye, so please put on the glasses. You understand? We are gonna walk the place. Always there. No, okay. We need a good evening. Thank you. I'm just saying. Where we are go today? This advice. Hello, Mr. Salt. No bother with it, please. Limit. Come in know what you know this advice you're soothing. You're a bird. Thank you guys. Big up all of my 133 people them all they are. Okay. Big up yourself. I appreciate you. Thank you. All right, so you look like you eat. Jesus Christ. Good morning. Yeah, good morning. It is not morning. Rebecca, hola. Come and say if they have a Disney Spring. I am at the boardwalk. And let's get redfish snap up. Me say, you see your taste about something about knowing your friends. You see you know. Your taste buds, you need to limit. You need to limit. Big up yourself. At the boardwalk, what city? Well, actually, they are Walt Disney Dolphin Hotel. So, me just a walk with you today. I show you the boardwalk, you know, because tonight we are going to do some whole heap of other things. Are you Jamaica? Yes, I am. You know, hear my accent brawling and strong. Yeah, we are chill this evening. Because the last time, when we said roller coaster and them something there, the whole of my throat will no good. Nah, nothing. Them have games and them something there. We can play. Yeah, walk slow. Yeah, me have to take, you know, the Sunday stroll, it's giving Sunday stroll, right? It's giving Sunday stroll. That's what it's giving. So, but Joe, big up, I ain't tried. So, you know, say sometime when you see carnival and them thing there, or you can play games and win prizes. Yes. So them have whole heap of little things on the boardwalk. Them have restaurant, pizzeria, nice. And we go on the boat ride. Cause based on the hotel where we come from, we have to make the hotel, the boat bring we come over here. So yeah, some construction still are going on and things still. Try to be cook and hang, walk on, big up yourself. Guys, big up, yo, I appreciate you, thanks for like up your life. Look on the boat there, have a Jamaica color. That boat there, a Jamaica color, it's a, I love that. Wanna see it? Cool and hang, big up. Thank you. So tonight, them are gonna have movie where them set up the big screen on the lawn. But we are going to the beach. We are going to the beach tonight. So make sure you turn on the notification bell because I go bring on now. And I'm going to see that. Watch there. I'm going in the mirror so you can't see me. You can't see me though? Yeah man, I mean that. That is it. Jordan, Free Willy in the water. Hola. Disney. The water back in Jamaica look better. No new friends, look, you're not going to deal with me like that because we know this. We know this, okay? So we're not going to really do this right now. Me just say, yeah, we're at Walt Disney Resort, Dolphin. Yeah, tonight I go nice. All right, see boat here. See me tell you, say the boat. Let me show you. The boat will bring me over. Can I take the banana boat, you know? The boat will bring me over. See it here now. It will come in to pick up the people them. Well, go on, they are going to chill. Sunday stroll. Are they boat? See Jamaica boat there. Blood. See Jamaica boat here. Are they want to bring me over the Jamaica boat? Yeah. So see it here, pick up the people them. They go over them and give them a closer view. Right? Yes. Thank you guys. Big up all of my 200 and odd people them. 279. I want to go buzzy. I don't know. It's the support for me. True. Thank you. This is from the movie Big Really? Yeah. Me no know. Me never watched the movie there. The banana boat at work. See there guys? The people them are going on a boat. I did vlog the inside. I vlog the inside going on the boat, loading on the boat ride. So I go post that one day so you can get to see it. But big up the hate da. Thank you. We share the same last name. Oh, what kind of last name that? Watch the boat guys. Hola. No, we not cook. No cooking. No cooking. Limit. No cooking today. So yeah. When we go over back, that me have to go take and go back over. Yeah, so let me show you now. Go and walk with you know. Winkle. That's why you have Williams as your last name. Where is the Winkle? You know, I never meet another Winkle. I wonder if we have family. You guys wanna say? We are up on one of them right here. Oh, go. Which one do you want? Blue, red, purple, green. Bike rental. Talk to me. Talk fast. No, you have to pay your money. But you know have money? You know have money? Eh? You know, I'm going to keep walking here. A BMW me I driving now. Better me walk. BMW we driving, guys. Flying fish. We are going to the restaurant here. Me say them have lobster wrap up in a potato, fancy lobster. I say, wow, look at me. Yeah, we are going here so tonight. I go vlog it, guys, so I'm going to get to see it. I hear? Banana boat a load up. So over here, so abracadabra. Over here, so we get the tuna. Nice. Me vlog that. And them have, what else they have? Some nice drinks. Let me say, And the pizzeria, God almighty, guys, me say the pizza where them sell. It them say one slice of pizza. So me there think I want to look a piece of pizza me I go get. Me God almighty, you know when you cut pizza in a four? Yeah, quarter. And that then give me. Me nearly drop. Me say no sir. Me know me crave but not so bad too bad. No make it look so bad. As a Jamaican, it a run. Yeah, believe. And you want to see the jar up there now. Thank you, HR. Tami, oh, you're going to eat the fish if it's fly. Look, Stuart, no bother with it today, please. Thank you. Limit, no bother with it today. I may notice you do better upon the choosing, you know, Stuart, because you choose one meal now, and I appreciate that. You understand? Big bro. All right, see boat I left out here now. See there? First, then reverse. Aye. Watch the Jamaica one. Watch the Jamaica. Hey, one thing Jamaica after the first, you know. Make we see who are going to win. Who are going to win? Watch ya. Watch ya. Watch ya. See Jamaica one over there, so watch ya. It'll hurry up, you know. And watch the other one, yeah, so. Jamaica and USA. Jamaica and USA. Lamar Wagwan. God almighty, watch there. USA, they panic. Watch Jamaica. Watch ya. Watch ya, watch ya. Alright, USA gonna lead to Ratty. Watch Jamaica now I go take shortcut. Watch Jamaica now I go take shortcut. Me nah ask. USA have to take the long way. Watch it, watch ya. And they know say they know if they drive around the park there, you know. Me nah look. Me nah look. Guys, look there. Wanna see dance hall? The word zoom in. Wanna see the word dance hall? Am I alone see that? Screenshot. You can't wait for see me. No, friends. No. Limit. No, we're not gonna do that. Yeah, man. I always remember being in Colorado. The size of pizza. 2 in a 1 for true. That's what's up. Jamaica. Look, Jamaica losing where? Tory, limit, please. You're not going to do that. Jamaica win. Jamaica winners win. Okay? God almighty. Let me go finish walk with you now. Come. Come, man. Jesus Christ. So, okay, now we're walking. We're on the boardwalk, you know. Alright, so. See right there, so them have margarita and them something there. Pretzel. I don't know. We haven't nobody from a pretzel fan. These are nice. These look good. Mickey Mouse pretzel. Then tell me if me move. If I move, because I not buy nothing. Then say move from them way. So me have move. Then say me if I move, so me have move. In here, so them have Walipa Deli. Like if you're like a sandwich person, if you like cold sandwiches, you can get that from in here. So I want to see the wine spot. Adapt with your Jordan. Limit. Jesus Christ, me can't bring on nowhere, man. The wine spot, murder Italian wine. Let me go look on the menu and see. Jamaica always. We actually win long time. Let me go look and see if them have, because they normally have their menu. One thing I like with that, so them have their menu put out on the they have their menu put out on the right eye door. Version C. Hear the man, the deli. I love it. Yeah, so yes guys, I that I go on pan what I go on and I love it here. So tonight, remember say dive movie, them I go have s'mores, it plays hot. Me no know how me I go out there and have s'mores and them something there. But let me see. See one place where I talk about. When I tell you, so them always have the menu outside, and you can know if you want anything in there so or not. At this me like, you can't really see it though, but see it there. Me like this. This is a mood. Me know if me need to go no further, if me need to go in, if me need to waste your time, or me know me want. Yeah, that me like. So over here, so they have some things that we're not gonna pronounce, guys. So you know what? Make we just stay in our lane. Thank you. Let me see if they have mackerel. Ella mackerel. What kind of wine? All right, wine. Wine. Let me see. Them say red or white sangria. Yeah. They don't really have a wide variety as so, but you know, Charasa, you know what? Jordan, you not go outdo me over here, you know. Limit. Cause you know upstairs not really so 100. Guys, me have to go back. Yeah, all right, just because me take the boat and come over here, so but yes, when I go back, me I go show you the hotel. Me I go do a tour. Pretty. Me said, Jesus Christ. Pretty, yeah. Me I feel like me eye when me I walk through this, so me can't look. Ella Mackerel, yeah. Which country? We are in Portmore. So yeah, guys, we're gonna try out the flying fish tonight. Them have the snapper there, wrapped in. Hold on, let me tell you. See that them have the menu. Let me bring on and tell you which one we are gonna get. Sangrias are good. Let me tell you which one we are gonna get. All right, let me see. See there, potato wrapped red snapper. Angle. Ooh. Potato red snapper. That we are gonna get, guys. Did you see red wine? All right, the one that come like is a wine specialist. All right, on ready now? Rare wine poured from our wine emotion. Jesus Christ. Silverado, Cabernet, Octopus, Shuffle. You know, say me not go share myself over here. Me not share myself over here. Which part of Portmore? The part here, we there over, what you say name? Dancehall. Dancehall. Yeah. Yeah, man. I will it list long, but most of them I can't really pronounce it, so I'm not share myself. You understand? But yeah, guys, remember keep going. Oh, limit. Keep the post notification bell on, cause me I go. Me I go back live. Cause you know say me always have a show when things are happen. Me not just like live so nothing I keep. You understand? Me not like that. Me not like just having it so just so. So when me go live again, something I go on. So just keeping the post notification bell on. My phone depend 20%. Me bring the power bank and everything. Left the card in the room, but me can boardwalk with the power bank in my bag. Me she might kill me. She might kill me. But yeah, man, we are go outside for tonight. So guys, I want to tell you all so much again. Thank you so much for supporting me. It well developed. In everything what me I do, I appreciate you guys. Big up all of my subscribers them. Big up everybody who they are watch with me. Yo, 200 and odd people. Me not lie, I know very fast, you know. Oh, no fast, bad. But me appreciate the fastness. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. I love alone. And I will see you later, all right? Okay, bye.